Hello everyone. Today's video we are dealing with our unit number 2.7 Arunima Sinha, a biography. It is an inspiring story to all of you. Arunima Sinha is a national level volleyball player and awarded Padma Shri, fourth civilian highest award by Government of India. Okay, she represents India in national level and she want to be continue with government service like paramilitary forces and continue to his fulfill his gist, that is a sports person athletic. But there is a unfortunately she is faced by one mishap. On 11th April 2011, she was traveled from Lucknow to Delhi by Padmavati Express. A local group of robbers attack on him and they want to snatch her gold chain. This gold chain was a gift which is given by her mother to her. As an athletic having a good physical stamina, she fight with them, but there are five peoples and she is only one girls. These inhumans throw her from running train and the another parallel track, another train rush on her legs. She was admitted in AIMS Hospital, New Delhi. At the same times, during these 4 months, she was hospitalized. At the same times, a lot of visitors visit her and they create gossip rumors, rubbish rumors that she has no proper ticket. That's why she jumped from the running train. As she want to do suicide, that's why she jumped from the train. To stop these rubbish rumors, she decided to be a mountaineer. She get inspiration from Yuvraj Singh and other sport persons, and she dream to be a mountaineer. Though she is a amputee. Amputee means having only one legs, and she become a second woman amputee who climbed Mount Everest. First is Rhonda Green from America, a woman amputee who climbed Mount Everest. When she was discharged from hospital, she directly visited Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal is the first Indian woman who climbed Mount Everest. And Bachendri Pal is only one lady along with his family member who take her dream as seriously. She joined Nehru Institute of Mountaineer Training, complete his 2 month training as well as complete her climb small peaks, and she decided to climb Mount Everest to fulfill her dream. During this period, Tata Steel Adventure scholarship she get and she fulfill her economical demand. When the day comes, that day they started to climb Mount Everest, her Sherpa means local guide refused to give her company because he said it is a suicide journey. But she convinced him and she started journey to Mount Everest. And within 52 days, she climbed Mount Everest. She says that during this journey she saw very unfortunate mishaps that lot of mountaineers died during that journey, but she followed her fulfillment, her dream, and climbed Mount Everest. Along with her dream, she climbed another six peaks of seven continents, highest peak of seven continents. Beside that, she became a mountaineer. She give motivational lectures to the students and motivate other peoples also. Beside that, she started freedom fighter Bhagat Singh. Sorry, she started freedom fighter Chandrasekhar Azad Sports Academy for handicapped peoples to fulfill, to give the training for underprivileged handicapped children regarding the sports academy. So this is a uncommon work which is done by Arunima Sinha. Though she is a amputee, she climbed Mount Everest and she fulfilled her dream as well as she worked for the children also. This is a simple biography of Arunima Sinha. कौन है बेटा? अरुणिमा सिन्हा. अरुणिमा सिन्हा इज अवार्डेड पद्मश्री by government of India and she is a national level volleyball player. But unfortunately जब वो ट्रैवल कर रही थी लखनऊ टू दिल्ली पद्मावती एक्सप्रेस से, ओके, उस समय उसके साथ एक मिसहैप हुआ है. कौन से दिन? 11 अप्रैल 2011 में, कि लोकल जो रॉबर्स थे उन्होंने अटैक किया उसके ऊपर और उसकी चेन खींचने की कोशिश की. बट उसने भी रेसिस्ट किया, बट उन जालिमों ने उसको चलती ट्रेन से फेंक दिया. जैसे ही चलती ट्रेन से फेंक दिया तो उसके पैरों से दूसरी ट्रेन गुजर गई और उसको एडमिट होना पड़ा एम्स हॉस्पिटल में. और एक पैर उसका कट किया गया और दूसरे पैर में राइट लेग्स में आयरन रॉड डाला गया. जब वो हॉस्पिटल में थी तो लोग आते थे, मिलते थे, बट कुछ भी बोलते थे कि देखो अब ये वॉलीबॉल खेल नहीं सकती, क्या हुआ इस लड़की के साथ, अब ये कुछ नहीं कर सकती. कुछ लोग रूमर्स या गॉसिप भी फैला रहे थे उसके खिलाफ कि इसने चलती ट्रेन से, उसके पास प्रॉपर टिकट नहीं था इसलिए जंप कर लिया या सुसाइड करना चाहती थी. इस प्रकार रबिश रूमर को स्टॉप करने के लिए उसने डिसाइड किया कि मैं कुछ अनकॉमन करना चाहती थी. बल्कि उसको इंडियन रेलवे ने सर्विस प्रोवाइड दी थी कि आप ज्वाइन करो इंडियन रेलवे और 10 to 5 ड्यूटी करो. बट उसको कुछ अनकॉमन करना था, कुछ यूनिक करना था, इसलिए उसने ठान लिया कि मैं माउंटेनियर बनूंगी और मैं दुनिया का सबसे हाईएस्ट पिक माउंट एवरेस्ट क्लाइंब करूंगी. इसलिए वो बचेंद्री पाल से मिली. बचेंद्री पाल इज़ द फर्स्ट इंडियन वुमन हु क्लाइंब माउंट एवरेस्ट. उसने नेहरू इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ माउंटेनियर ट्रेनिंग ज्वाइन किया, 2 मंथ की ट्रेनिंग ली. उसके बाद छोटे छोटे पिक भी चढ़े. उसके बाद टाटा स्टील एडवेंचर स्कॉलरशिप उसको मिली और उसके बाद उसने माउंट एवरेस्ट को क्लाइंब करने का प्रयास किया और विद इन 52 डेज में उसने माउंट एवरेस्ट क्लाइंब किया. इसके साथ उसका जो ड्रीम था कि दुनिया के जो और 6 पिक्स थे उसको भी वो क्लाइंब किया. और उसके साथ उसने जो विकलांग लोग हैं, जो गरीब बच्चे हैं, उनके लिए अच्छा स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी स्टार्ट की. उसका नाम है फ्रीडम फाइटर शहीद चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद विकलांग क्रीडा एकेडमी. तो इस प्रकार उन्होंने अनकॉमन क्या किया है, एक पैर न होते हुए भी वो माउंट एवरेस्ट चढ़ी है. तो वो इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी है हमारे लिए कि देखो हैंडीकैप होने के बावजूद इस प्रकार का भी हिस्ट्री, इस प्रकार का भी जीवन बिता सकते हैं. तो दिस इज़ अ अरुणिमा सिन्हा. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द समरी. वी आर डिस्कसिंग लाइन टू लाइन समरी. Arunima Sinha is the first Indian amputee. Amputee means having no legs, handicap, having no legs. Amputee to climb the Mount Everest. Among women amputee, she is just the second one to achieve this milestone. और पूरे दुनिया में इंडिया की फर्स्ट एम्यूटी वुमन है, बट पूरी दुनिया में सेकंड एम्यूटी वुमन है जिसने माउंट एवरेस्ट को क्लाइंब किया है. बिफोर अरुणिमा रोंडा ग्राहम, क्या नाम है बेटा? रोंडा ग्राहम, अ फीमेल एम्यूटी फ्रॉम यूएसए क्लाइंब माउंट एवरेस्ट इन अक्टूबर 2011. उनके पहले रोंडा ग्राहम की एक यूएस की, यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका की वुमन है जिन्होंने माउंट एवरेस्ट क्लाइंब किया है. सेकंड अरुणिमा सिन्हा है. In 2015, she was awarded Padma Shri, the fourth highest award, civilian award by government of India. और उसको 2015 में पद्मश्री मिला गया. पद्मश्री बेटा सबसे फोर्थ हाईएस्ट अवार्ड है. सबसे बड़ा इंडिया का सिविलियन अवार्ड रहता है भारत रत्न, सेकंड रहता है पद्म विभूषण, पद्म भूषण एंड फोर्थ इज पद्मश्री. तो उसको पद्मश्री मिला गया. अरुणिमा वाज अ स्पोर्ट्स एंथुसिस्ट. Arunima Sinha was a sports enthusiast from the childhood, a national level volleyball player. She decided to get a job in paramilitary forces so that she can carry on with her passion for sports along with a regular source of income as well. But the fate had other plans. वो क्या करना चाहती थी? After 16 या after 18 she want to join paramilitary force for to fulfill his earning requirement as well as to fulfill his athletic enthusiasm, she want to continue this. बट फेट हैज़ अनदर प्लान, बट उसके भाग्य में कुछ अलग लिखा था. व्हाट हैपन विथ हर, देखो लिस्ट. ऑन द नाइट ऑफ 11th April 2011, while on her way to Delhi from Lucknow from Padmavati Express train, she was attacked by a group of local robbers. They tried to snatch her gold chain, which was gifted by her mother. She tried to resist them. Thanks to her athletic physique and fitness, she gave them a tough fight. देखो, on the night of 11th April 2011, she was traveled from Lucknow to Delhi by Padmavati Express, and she was attacked by a local group of robbers, and they want to snatch her golden chain, which is given by her mother. As an athletic, having a good physics and good stamina, she gave tough fight to them. But being a lonely girl, she could not resist them for longer, and eventually, at the same time, she was overpowered by them. Those inhumans guys threw her out of the running train. Another train come on the parallel track, run over her legs. देखो, फाइट किया, बट दे आर द 5-4 पीपल्स एंड शी इज ओनली वन गर्ल्स. Obviously, they overpower with her, and those unhuman, they throw her from the running train, and this another parallel track, one train also run over for her legs. By the time she reached hospital, the doctor were left with no option but to amputate her left leg below the knees. When she was admitted at hospital, doctor have no options to cut her left legs, because otherwise the infection could have spread in the whole body. Her right leg also didn't remain completely immune for that accident. A rod was inserted in right legs from knee to anklet. देखो, doctor cut her left legs and right legs also become unconscious. A iron rod was inserted in right legs also from the knee to anklet. Okay, और left legs cut कर दिया गया below the knees. This is a tragedy with her. Now what happened with her? देखो, she spent 4 months at All India Institute of Medical Science, AIIMS, New Delhi. One day, while laying on the bed in the hospital, she read an article about Mount Everest, the ultimate destination of every mountaineer. She read one article regarding the Mount Everest. Then only she decided to climb it. She took inspiration from Yuvraj Singh and other famous personalities who won over cancer and other life-threatening conditions to bounce back and prove their metals. Prove their metals means prove their ability. She take the inspiration from Yuvraj Singh and other personalities who overcome this unusual calamities in their life. People used to come to meet me in the hospital and sympathize by saying words like, "You could not be able to play volleyball anymore." What a tragedy with this young girl. People आते थे मिलने मुझे और they बोलते थे, they express their sympathy. What happened with this girl? Okay, what a tragedy with these girls. She will not play volleyball. Why she took this extreme difficult decision of climbing Mount Everest when she was already offered a good job by Indian Railway? The reporter asked, some people ask her why she take a very extremely difficult decision to become a mountaineer, because already she was offered a decent job in Indian Railway. Why she didn't spend her life like any other handicapped person doing a regular 9 to 5 job and making a livelihood? Then she gives the answer. When I was in the hospital post, this robbery incidents, I came across several absurd conspiracy theories like I was traveling without ticket, hence I jump out of the train to avoid punishment, or I jump out of the train by my own in the suicide attempt. These rubbish rumors hurt me badly. Then only I decided that I could answer to all these fake theories by doing something big, achieving something extraordinary. okay, to stop these rubbish rumors, because people are spreading rubbish rumor against her that she has no proper tickets. That's why, to avoid punishment, she jumped from the running train. She want to do suicide herself. That's why she jumped from the running train. Such type of rubbish rumors, such type of rubbish conspiracies, such theories are spread regarding her in the society, and that's why she want to stop these rubbish rumors. She want to give the answer to this rubbish rumor, and that's why she select to be a mountaineer. Usually, people used to take more than a few months to get comfortable with artificial legs, but she started walking in just 2 days. Her whole focus was on climbing the world's highest mountain, nothing else. लोगों को कितना 4 मंथ, फ्यू मंथ लगते, 3-4 मंथ लगते हैं वर्क विथ टू work with artificial legs, but she just take 2 days, and within 2 days she is comfortable with artificial legs. She focus only and only to climb Mount Everest. Remaining part we will discuss next video. I hope you understand the Hindi and English summary, and we will discuss line to line in next video along with question answer round. Thank you.